Yo, what is going on YouTube? This tutorial today is going to be showing you how to get free Pokecoins in Pokemon Go. This is working in 2026. And this is a Pokemon Go promo code that's going to supply you with a ton of free coins, saving you a bunch of money. As you can see, 5,200 Pokecoins costs around $50 US. Or 40 Great British pounds. I'm going to show you how to get 10,000 Pokecoins for completely free. Before I show you how to do this, make sure you like this video and go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm always creating updated tutorials as and when they're needed. So this method, guys, is going to get you free Pokecoins in Pokemon Go, and this is a simple promo code that you can redeem, guys. So yeah, you simply enter your code and it's going to supply you with your Pokecoins. So the entire process takes a few minutes, and you're definitely going to want to check out and follow along. So you basically will get your code and you sign in, and then you can redeem it in the Pokemon Go store. So let's get into it. What you're going to want to do is use your mobile phone. So open up the internet browser. I'm using an iPhone and Safari here, but you can do this on whatever device and browser you choose to use. And you just need to head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So type it exactly like this, and it's going to bring you to this website here called Cold Coupons. And I've used these over the years. I've used these a lot for Pokemon Go, but they do have other games as well. Not only mobile games, they have pretty much codes for every game you can imagine. So what you're going to want to do is just to speed up finding the Pokemon Go pages using the search bar. And on this page, there's a few different redeem codes that you can choose, but the one that's going to get you the free Pokecoins is obviously the one at the top here. And this is a promo code to get 10,000 free Pokecoins in Pokemon Go. And this is working in 2026, guys. So yeah, this is an updated video, and it's going to continue to work as long as this video is live on YouTube. If I remove the video, it means it stopped working. So because 10,000 Pokecoins is about $100 US, you do need to unlock and fully reveal your code here. And that's because these are limited codes. You can only do this once to get one code. I did this earlier. So click on that button and you're going to see this page here. And this tells you exactly what you need to do to get your free Pokecoins promo code. So it says complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code from Cold Coupons. Now these offers are basically free application in-stores and mobile games. Sometimes there's free surveys that you can complete as well. They're all completely free and they're only a few minutes each to complete. So these are really easy things like downloading, installing and playing games, installing applications and creating a free account. So just make sure you do follow the instructions for 2 of them, and if you do that, it will then unlock your Pokemon Go promo code. So it will redirect you back to this page and your code will be revealed in this box, and then you redeem it where I showed you in the Pokemon Go store in the redeem code page, and that is how to get free Pokecoins in Pokemon Go in 2026. So go to Cold Coupons, and if you have any questions or need any help, let me know, guys, but it's pretty simple if you follow through the instructions. So yeah, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.